Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is my Project 1 review for MDF1. Okay, let's start off and let you know what I did for my project. My project is um, for my company 3wmediamarketing.com. Pretty much what it does is it gives you a list of the top 20 social networks, tells you a little information about the social network, and then it actually links you to the website. So we could go through and take a look at my code real quick. This is my iPhone storyboard. You can see how I laid it out. I have the custom cell, which is right here, and if I click on that, you could actually see that goes to my custom cell. That's my table view right there. I rounded the backgrounds on it. Did um, a white navigation bar for in the header with my logo on it. Edit button. Right here, I have the larger image view, which both image views share the same picture. Both title labels share the same. Both secondary labels share the same, and then I added two more bits of information here, and then I added an open web button here, so I could go over to my storyboard right here for my iPad. Pretty much same thing, just a little bit larger on the iPad. You know, I spaced it out a tiny bit different, but pretty much besides that, it's the same thing. So you could see that's my UI label. I got my table. I got my table cell, custom cell. I have my edit buttons on both of them. Right in here and on my iPhone. When clicking on an item in the list, move the second view controller so that you can see my storyboard. It's attached to when I click on that, it goes over to my storyboard. Create my own icons. We could go ahead and click on here. Go down to my app icons, and you could see that I have, let's get rid of this right here. I have all of my icons to size what they're supposed to be. Here's my launch image. I have all of my launch images done that you need for iOS 7. And then UI diagram. I could show you that real quick. That is right back here. This is my UI diagram. Pretty much lays everything out. You push the icon, goes to the launch screen, goes to this page, which I made a alert view pop up that pretty much gives you a small description about the app. Enter here, goes over to my main table view, select one of the cells, gives you more information, logo, more information, hit open web, comes up to here, opens the web page, close, comes back to this view right here, close the entire view, brings it back here. If you click the edit, comes up, hit the delete, brings the delete function, delete, comes back down here. You can see Google is not here anymore. Done. Back to this view. So bring my code back up. You could see in my view controller H, I have my IB outlets for my my table and my edit button. Couple arrays here. I ended up doing my setting my object, so you can see I have, this is my alert right up here. This I set a corner radius for my table view as soon as view did load. Here I have my 20 objects. I have this, so it actually opens off of this string, my web view. That's the reasoning why I have the HTTP in there, and then I have my description. So if I wanted to add another object, I could just add another object to the bottom of the list right here. Just copy this, paste it, and type in new information. Here's my array right here, which I'm pretty much, it's my social array. I'm pretty much just calling all of these items right here. My on click right here to go into edit mode, and this right here actually changes my button from done to edit, changes the normal state of my button. This checks right here if we are in delete mode to remove an object from my table view, and this goes to checks my social array right there and actually sets the number of objects in it by the count that I have there. And this pushes it into my table. This right here is to go over to my detail. Whoop, I didn't mean to do that. Go over to my detail view right here and send the information over to it, which is my current social, which is the social array, which I had up at the top. So it doesn't matter. I could add 5 more items to that social array, and it will automatically be added. I won't ever have to do anything with that again. This is all my images that I have for the background, for all my icons, all of that. My detail view controller right here just pretty much lays everything out. Here's my detail view controller page, which right here it's just calling each one of the actual my labels. I mean, that's my title, secondary label. Those are my 2 sets of information. That's my image right there. This is to close the view right there. This is my on click for the buttons that I have. Button 1, it pretty much opens up my web view on my iPhone, which I had to set that because I created the web view in here instead of over here, so I had to set that for a different button right there. And then button 2, I set where is it? I set corner radiuses on it with a small border. This is where I actually set how large and positioning of my web view, and I did the same here down here for my iPad. This opens and closes it, changes the button, pretty much the same thing that I did up or on my view controller page. So let's go ahead and run the app. You could see there's my app icon. There is my launch screen right there. And here's the alert view that I said, brought to you by 3W Media Marketing. This is a gateway to the top 20 social networking websites. Enter here, brings you here, edit. Let's go ahead and get rid of Instagram, and we're good. We can get rid of YouTube too. We're good. Hit done. You can see I got all of them here. Every one of them opens. Say open Twitter. Gives you all the information. Open web. Pops up a web view and opens up the web. You could toggle it. Open and close. Close that just so you could see. I'll grab a random one. Tumblr. Same thing. Open web. See? Web view open. Close that. And then let's close this. Let's open it, launch it on my iPad. There's my launch screen. Same thing, brought to you. Let's go ahead, random one, it doesn't matter. Pinterest. Open the web. There's my web view. Opens Pinterest. Let me show you another one. Let's show you Facebook, which I could show you. I set it to where you could pinch to zoom. You could zoom in on it, pinch to zoom, all that good stuff. So I had to actually set that. And that's that. What I think I could have done better is the one thing that I definitely know that I want to do and I will do because I'm actually going to be using this app is when I go into my web view, I want navigation for forward and back history buttons. So right now, if I wanted to sign in, I could go and I could sign in, but I can't go back to the screen before, so I'd have to pretty much get out of there and then go back in, open web, and it opens it back up. So that's the only way I could go back right now. I did a lot of research on it, and I will be adding that soon. So hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I look forward to week 2, and good luck everyone. Thanks. Bye.